Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. How is everyone doing? I hope you are well. So, as you can see by the title, I made one of Crystal at Bag of Days ponchos. Hi Crystal. So this I showed actually really quickly. It was one of my items in the go bag that I showed yesterday. It was a whip at that time, now it's an FO. So, let me just stand up and show you. Excuse the chair. All right. So this is how it goes, how she had it in her video. Let's see, do I have it straight? So with the point, there's a point at the front and there's a point at the back. I made mine, I think, longer than hers. So I think it turned out really nice. It's really cute. And she put beads. Now what I've done is I put my little string off to the side, and there's a reason for that, and I'll show you in a second. But first of all, let's see, these, I had these beads right here, and these would have been perfect. Look at those. Sorry. Okay, look at this one. With the pinks and the blacks. Would have been perfect. But the hole, I don't know if you can even see the hole, it's so tiny. I could not get even one thing of yarn through there, one strand. Oh man, I think it went under the fridge. Anyway, so what I have put instead, you can see these. Can I show you against here? Oh, that's shiny. These are grapes, light pink colored grapes. So those are the beads. So, yeah, so this is how she showed it, I believe, in her picture. And so I put the beads on here because I was thinking, me and my thinking, that this could also be worn, where's the point? Could also be worn like this, and that's why I made it longer too, because then it could be worn like this. And here's my little beads on that side. So what do you think? Just pull down the back a little here because it's higher in the front. So that's how it looks in the back. But Crystal, this is beautiful. I love it. I love it. It is so stunning. So stunning. All right. So I am going to tell you what yarn I used. Oh, and how much of it. All right. So this yarn is the Lion Brand Mandala Ombre. I folded this over because my ball is smaller. I used 2 of these, and then I took the black from the outside just to finish off the bottom. And let's see there. This is a 4-weight yarn. Recommended hook size is let's see, 5.5. I actually use a 6 because it makes it, I guess, a little more lacy, a little more open. Also, what was I going to say? Lacy, open, and I just do that. I do that all the time. Hardly ever use the recommended hook size. So 5.5 millimeter hook, 4.5 millimeter knitting needles, 150 grams in here, 344 yards, and I used 2 balls, like I said, and then I took the black and used the black from the outside of this one, just to finish off the bottom. And that's it. Yes. So, did I tell you what this made out of? 100% acrylic. Yes. And the colorway is Felicity. And it's got the blacks and some white in there, some grays, kind of, maybe. Oh, actually like almost like a tanny pink. Yeah. So, yeah, so this is it. So I did actually color control a little bit, especially with, just with adding more of the black from another ball at the bottom there. I had started making something and I had caked up the ball, or a couple of balls. I was doing something, color controlling the colors, and I don't know, they ended up kind of mixed up on the ball. So I just went ahead and used it the way I had wrapped it. So, I don't know. So anyway, this is how it turned out. The colors, and I love it. I think it's so pretty. So very pretty. All right, thank you, Crystal, for an awesome pattern, an awesome design, awesome tutorial. And I guess that's it. So I will see you guys another time. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.